Probably, to be honest, but in the world, there's very few people who can do what we can do. In general, flexible equipment is there's only a handful of major companies who can actually deliver that, and quite often they're not within the country of the end user. But I think the fact that we interact with them and we give them very good upfront information and support and confidence that we can deliver is important for them. The risk of maybe going to a company who doesn't know what they're doing and them having a failure of equipment, the cost of that failure is massive compared to paying for quality equipment that you know is going to work first time and for a long time. I think that's the key driver, is that they know what they're getting with MDL and they can have confidence that the equipment that they're buying is of top quality and will do what they want it to do.